All right, today we're at MarineMax Lake Norman with the 2024 AR250. This one's in seafoam green. We'll start up here at the front with the boarding swim ladder. Of course, the galvanized trailer is included. AR250 blackout badges. All the AR250s are equipped with the wake tower and bimini top. And we'll take you inside. Inside the 250, we'll start at the rear. Large entryway for the rear platform, forward and rear facing seats. In the back here, snap out carpet. Coming over behind the helm, you have the cooler. Wake tower again and bimini top. Over at the helm, you have the Yamaha command screen, as well as the wireless charging for your phone and devices. This is a twin engine model. It does have cruise control. Nice dual captain's chairs with armrest. This boat has tons of storage, floor storage, and the observer side storage here. Observer side storage locker. Plenty of room up in the bow. Again, the bow ladder and step here. Again, storage underneath all the bow seating. Check this and many other Yamahas out here at Lake Norman.